Safe plants to eat, how to use them. Dandelions. Dandelions are a perennial plant that can be found all over America. Also, probably right outside your door. And they usually bloom early spring into the fall, which is why none of them will be in this video because it's summer right now. Dandelions are rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Also, dandelion leaves are packed with vitamins A, C, and K. And they also contain vitamin E, folate, and B vitamins. They also provide important minerals such as magnesium, iron, calcium, and potassium. Plantago major or plantain. Plantain can be found almost everywhere. Why, you might be walking on it on your footpath every single day. It usually blooms from late spring through the summer, usually from May to September. It actually has a healing superpower. It can be used on cuts and can help anti-inflammatory skin conditions like eczema and poison ivy.
Because it has estrogen.
Purslane, which I have not tasted before, is known to have a salty-like flavor like spinach. Purslane usually blooms late spring through the late summer into the fall. The stem, leaves, and flower are all edible. It is rich in omega-3 acids, vitamin C and A. It has magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Helps you have healthy blood pressure and helps you reduce the risk of getting heart disease. Also is known to help with bone health, skin health, boosting, and help digestive system health. Chickweed or Stellaria media. It is also a perennial plant and blooms from late fall to spring. Chickweed was traditionally used as an anti-inflammatory, a demulcent, and because of its cooling and soothing properties.
Great timing, am I right?
Now I'm sitting down. It can be used as oil to soothe the skin. It can be used for bug bites and treat minor cuts and rashes. It is also used to soothe your stomach and your digestive system to help when you have an upset stomach or
Floating.
And if you turn it into a tea, it can be used to help with congestion. Allium ursinum, or wild garlic, is also a perennial plant native to Europe and Asia. Known for its garlic onion scent, edible leaves, edible flowers, edible bulbs, and it usually blooms from April to June. It's known to help with low blood pressure. It helps, your blood circulation, and it's known to get rid of, plus help with bad density cholesterol. Though I will say, uprooting this plant in certain places is really sensitive to people because it hurts the plant's population, which is why most people just eat the leaves. I hope you stayed to the end of the video, and if you did, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button below, and if you want to see more videos like that, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.